Hello guys, so we meet here in this video because your E61 or E46 or E39 rear wiper is not working. Today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble and fix this issue when this wiper arm is stuck. So we're gonna go through all the process of disassembling it, cleaning and assembling it. So basically what's happening that the metal corrodes inside and it gets stuck over time if you're not using it, so especially that gives a lot. So don't mind the dirty car, we have this wiper stock that's not working and it is stuck. You should be able to move it up or down. So first thing we do, get this cap off. Don't break stuff. So this is like 30mm socket. Okay, I got the 30mm socket. Yes. Undo that. Most of the time this stock is pretty tight on there, so I'm gonna try to wiggle it and get it off. There's still a washer here. So the technique I use for this is like grab a stock with two hands, one hand here and one other here, and just bend it like this and try to move it like this slowly, so it'll pop off like this one did. Okay, so next thing we have here is a C-clip, so we need to get that off. There is a C-clip, but I most of the times use the hammer and the like flat screwdriver. So you just, this one came pretty easy, so it goes like this, so don't lose it also. Okay, next thing, pop the trunk, and there is this plastic cover, and there is this plastic cover you need to remove. Okay, it goes up. Those caps, one cap is here, one's there, and mine was already one was missing, so just took one off and it also broke, so good job. And there is like 10mm two nuts, so we gotta undo that. Okay, so undo those two nuts. Okay, one is broken. Okay, so we undid this, and there is still one nut that is holding here. So next thing, we're gonna take it and undo this bolt. We're gonna check 24 mil nut and okay. Just pop it loose and undo it with hand. There's another washer, and then this, just like that. And this one looks like it's broken. And there is another 10mm here. I mean two, because one is broken. Plastics came off. Supposedly now it should take it out, but It doesn't look like it's gonna go happen. That's going to happen. Remember, we had this nut that holds the wiper stock, so we put it on so we don't damage the threads. We take a small hammer and slightly easy, and it's going. And it's out. So now our mission is to get this arm that's here out of this whole assembly. So basically I'm gonna ram it somewhere and bash with a hammer on top of it, this also with this nut, and hopefully it will get out. Okay, got this piece welded up, and now it's time to fit it. Got this shaft out, now it's running easy. I'm gonna use anti-seize on this shaft and on this shim that goes inside this handle. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this copper anti-seize and then we're gonna put it back in, and hopefully everything's all right. So okay, we got everything assembled, everything is back in the place, looped up. Let's check if it works. And let's wait. And it works. So hopefully this video will help someone out with struggle of the rear wiper. So we got it fixed, it's working, and good. So see you in the next video. Bye.